Hey, I'm on a little bit late to do jewelry talk on a Saturday night, but I thought I'd still get on anyway so I can do it because I enjoy doing these videos, so I thought I'd get on and do it, even though I'm a little late. It's like 9 o'clock at night, so maybe a little more than a little late. Hi, whoever just hopped on. I want to start by showing you. Hi, Maria. I saw your husband at dance in Savannah. I guess I didn't see you if you came in. We can always measure them next week. I don't know if Ashley has church communion stuff or whatever, but let me know. Or you can measure it yourself. All you'll need is just like a tape measure, like whatever. Hi, Ashley Pollock. How are you? But I wanted to show you. You can kind of see these are really tiny. This is going to be the start of a bracelet, and this is that kit that I showed you that I bought the other day. So again, maybe I guess it was yesterday. Hey, Elizabeth. So I started to figure out how to do the first one in the book. It is a brick. No, I'm sorry, not a brick. It's a... Oh, okay, that's where you were. Okay, I couldn't remember if you were gonna have that or not. We were not there last Saturday, so but this is a spiral rope chain. It's gonna be a spiral rope chain, and it can be either a bracelet or a necklace. So that's the start of it, and I started it, and then I kind of messed up and had to undo, and which meant I had to take the needle off, and then I couldn't get it rethreaded, so I need to find myself a needle threader. I'm a little bit frustrated with that, but I had fun starting it. I'm hoping to find a needle threader before tomorrow, because tomorrow it looks like I'm going to be home for the majority of the afternoon, early evening by myself. Paul has a lot of church stuff he's doing, so I will be home. I want to work on that, so I need to find a needle threader. Any of my friends that are local have a needle threader that they want to let me borrow or pay you for, or just get from you, that would be awesome. Bed, Joanna, bed. Hi, Shelly. I'm on showing some of my jewelry. These are what I call some of my Fireposh necklaces with the cat's eye beads. So, and in this pink one I used rose and fuchsia, and then light pink cat's eye beads. So these are the Fireposh. Here are the cat's eye beads right here, and then there's some cat's eye beads here. And then the earrings for that, they're just going to be in different colors, so I'll probably only show one set of earrings, because I have 4 different colors of that, and I can do that in almost any color that anybody wanted. But there are those earrings to match that necklace. Here is a aqua. So aqua Fireposh beads, and then light blue cat's eye, and then I have earrings to match that one, and then I have jet black, and I think they're jet AB Fireposh with light gray cat's eye. And we've got a light purple Fireposh, like I think it's light amethyst, and purple cat's eye beads. And then I have a different, here's a different style of necklace that I have in 2 different colors. And I think they're the last 2 that I have left. I have these pink porcelain cubes with gold beads in between. And then I've got the earrings kind of to match. This set was actually one that my mom made. And I'm not a gold person, hence why I don't want to keep it. Here is, and this one's super long. I'll put this on so you can kind of see. This one is a blue porcelain bead with aquamarine rondelles. So this one's super long. It goes all the way down to here, like so. So, and then here's the earrings to match. And then I've got some bookmarks. We do beaded bookmarks. And this one is green beads with a pine cone charm. And we've got pinks and clears with a pink guitar charm. If it'll stop wiggling, there you go. Here's a yellow with a sunflower charm, yellow bead sunflower charm. Here is breast cancer awareness one. So pink. And then the breast cancer ribbon. Pink breast cancer ribbon. There we go. Here is light blue and a snake. So, I hope everybody's having a good night. I know I'm on kind of late. And I hope, Maria, if you watch the end of this, that you heal well and quickly from your knee surgery. Copper bead at the end, and then just green and browns. This next one is a copper bead with golds. And then my last one, and this is my only one like this at the moment. So just clear and silver with music notes that have Swarovski crystal in there. So that's what I have for today. I didn't want to keep people because I know it's late. People are heading to bed, getting ready for church on Sunday morning and whatnot. So I just thought I'd hop on real quick and show people. So when you watch this video, please share. I love it when people share my videos. I still have those bottle cap necklaces. St. Patrick's Day is coming up pretty quickly. So if you're interested in a St. Patrick's Day bottle cap necklace, please let me know. I will actually post a album with them on my page so people can buy them and get them. If you're out of town, you can get that, so I can get them mailed to you in time that your children can enjoy that, your daughters can enjoy them for St. Patrick's Day. Because they can wear it to school, and it'll have green on it, and then they don't have, if that's what you believe, if you believe in the whole you'll get pinched if you don't wear green on St. Patrick's Day, then they can do that. And it's just super cute anyway. I also have spring ones, and I have Easter ones, and so I can post all of those together that people can then order from me. If there's something in particular that you're looking at that you would like if you have an idea of something that you want, and it's not something you can find, I can custom make pretty much a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna take this necklace off so I can put it away. I was hoping, I should have been on earlier. I went to go craft with a friend, hence why I was able to start figuring out that I can bead, one of those I can bead patterns. I was so excited until the thread, I had to take the thread off the needle, or the needle off the thread, and then couldn't get it, put it back on. Like, I couldn't get it rethreaded, so that really made me sad. But I'm very proud of myself that I figured out how to do it, so once I have some time that I can sit down and get to it, it'll get made. I'm making it, you couldn't really see with that. I'll show it to you when I have better light, like during the day. Tomorrow I will be on probably 2:30ish, 2:30, closer to 2:30, between 2:30 and 3 I'll be on, because Paul will be off doing church stuff. Lots of different church stuff tomorrow afternoon, evening. It's a jam-packed afternoon. That'll be fun and crazy, but with him being as busy as he is, I don't know, unless my boys will nap with me, I probably won't be getting a nap like I usually like to on Sundays. So anyway, if nobody's on and has any questions, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video and say have a great rest of the evening, and hope I can catch some people on tomorrow afternoon, and maybe we can chit chat about a few things, because I like it when people can be on and they can ask questions. But happy getting ready for the Sabbath, folks. That's all I have. I'm like just stuck. I'm getting to the tired point too that I'm just like, blah. So Probably a good thing that nobody's on and wants to chit chat, because I'd probably sound like a bumbling idiot. I hope the video doesn't come across that way. Anyway, have a great night. Thanks for those who hopped on. And again, one more time, I'm going to ask you, please share the video. When I see people sharing the video, then I will post something to give away for you guys. Do a drawing, but I want my video to be shared so I can get more views on my video and you guys can win something free for sharing. Have a great night. Bye.